soft C, hard C. The letter C is a consonant. It has a soft S sound and a hard K sound. The sound the letter C makes will depend on the letter that follows. The general rule is that if the letter C is followed by the letter E, I, or Y, then it will make the soft S sound. Some examples are centimeter, circle, decide, celebrate, exciting, spicy. The general rule for the hard C is that if the letter C is followed by letters A, O, or U, or any other letter excluding E, I, or Y, then it will make the K sound. Some examples are candy, cool, cute, decorate, telescope, decade. Lastly, just remember that if the letter C is followed by the letter H, then it makes a ch sound. For example, chair, lunch. Also, when the letter C comes at the end of the word and it's followed by the letter K, then it makes the hard K sound. For example, kick, sack. Now you try. Pause the video here and identify if these words contain a soft C or a hard C.